I was invited to a home-baked cookie collaboration by Rob and Sumner, and I got to thinking, if I'm going to make a cookie, I have to find a unique one. So I checked my big list of things that I want to try, and in that list I saw cottage cheese cookies. So let's make them. Grab a bowl, half a stick of melted butter, half a cup of sugar, some salt, half a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 1/4 cups of flour, 1 egg, teaspoon of vanilla, a very tiny splash of milk. Mix that together. You'll need about 4 ounces of cottage cheese. That's about 1/4 of this container. Mix that together well. So I'm putting down about 1 1/2 inch balls of that dough. So this is basically like a sugar cookie batter that has cottage cheese inside. So I'm going to bake it at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes until golden on the bottom. Will it taste like cottage cheese? I move them to a cooling rack, and now I'm going to sift on a little powdered sugar. Cottage cheese cookies. Now I don't know if you've seen that movie, I think it's from the 80s, Flowers in the Attic. Well, this cookie reminds me of that cookie. Eat the cookie, mother. Well, let's see how this cottage cheese cookie tastes. Kind of tastes like a very airy sugar cookie. I can see why the cottage cheese is good. It's very low fat. You've got that good protein, so it makes this a better cookie. Thanks, Rob and Sumner, for hosting this fabulous cookie collab. You're going to have to check the playlist in my description to see more exciting home-baked cookies. What do you get if you use a deer-shaped cookie cutter? Cookie dough.